Hi, welcome to UMass Amherst.
We're so glad to have you join us. My name is Bernadette Stark, and I'm the director of the Student Legal Services Office.
And I'm Raquel Manzanares, and I'm the senior staff attorney in the Student Legal Services Office.
And together, we are your lawyers.
Throughout this video, you'll hear us refer to the Student Legal Services Office as the SLSO. Welcome to the UMass acronym nightmare.
But you may be wondering, what is the SLSO? Well, we are a student-funded law firm located right on campus at 922 Campus Center. Our mission is to provide counseling, research, advice, education, representation, and referral for all fee-paying students at UMass Amherst concerning any legal matters.
Bernie, what does it mean that we're student-funded?
Well, what that means is that we receive our funding directly from the mandatory student fees that are paid by all students, rather than from the regular university budget.
Although our office is located in 922 Campus Center, and we hope that you'll get to visit us one day, we are all working remotely right now, but our services are fully available.
So, Raquel, how can students who need the SLSO services get in touch with us?
It's simple. Go to www.umass.edu/SLSO and click on the Request Services tab. There you'll find a PDF. Download the PDF, fill it out with your information and a brief description of what your legal matter is, and then email that to slso@umass.edu.
So typically, you should receive an email confirming that we've received your request within 48 hours. Then, once we verify your eligibility for our services and make sure that there's no conflict of interest that exists, you'll receive another email offering appointment times for you to meet with one of our attorneys. So Raquel, what services does the SLSO offer?
The SLSO offers a variety of services to students. They include legal advice and counseling,
Document preparation,
negotiation,
mediation,
and full representation in court or out of it.
We also act as legal counsel to the Student Government Association and the Graduate Student Senate. In addition, we provide advice and counsel to registered student organizations upon request.
We also provide a wide variety of legal presentations to the local and campus community, as well as running an intensive internship program.
That is 1 semester long for 12 credits.
That's right. Our areas of practice include, but aren't limited to, immigration law, employment, housing, consumer protection, civil rights, higher education, criminal, and code of student conduct.
We also deal with cases in family law and higher education law. Immigration law. I'm the immigration attorney at SLSO, and I help students, including international students, with a wide variety of areas, answering questions on visas, OPT and CPT, J1 waivers, and things like that. But in addition to answering questions on visas, we also assist students with lawful permanent residency, which is a means of immigrating to the United States. We can also address issues with respect to passport and consular processing.
Housing law. This area of the law is also known as landlord-tenant law. And if you're going to live off campus, you'll likely be a tenant, and you'll also have a landlord. The good news is that Massachusetts has put in place lots of protections for tenants, including protecting your right to live in habitable housing and your right to quiet enjoyment of the premises. If you're planning to live off campus, submit an intake to the Student Legal Services Office. We'll review your lease with you, go through any terms you don't understand, and warn you about any pitfalls that might be out there. It's really important that you understand the agreement that you're making before you sign it. The SLSO is also a great resource for you throughout your tenancy. For instance, did you know that your landlord is required to get your permission prior to entering your premises? Did you know that there are requirements for what your landlord must do with your security deposit once they take it? Come and see us, and we will help set you on the right track to have a safe and productive tenancy.
Civil rights. The SLSO attorneys can help you with your civil rights matter or refer you to an attorney that may be able to help. Civil rights includes things such as interactions with state and federal authorities that may have violated your civil rights or police misconduct. In addition, we also handle traffic citations, assist students with personal injury cases such as car accidents or slip and falls, and we deal with cases involving invasion of privacy. For example, did you know that it is illegal in the state of Massachusetts to record someone without their knowledge?
Employment law. Some of the services the SLSO provides within this practice area include reviewing employment contracts, helping students in navigating the unemployment system, assisting students who feel that they've been discriminated against. That includes sexual harassment in the workplace. Helping students who feel that they've been wrongfully terminated, or students who haven't been paid fair wages for the work that they've done.
Family law. The SLSO can also help you with a wide variety of family law matters, including divorce, child custody cases, and child support. In addition, we also provide assistance with name and gender changes, prenuptial agreements, adoptions, guardianships, and any type of family contracts such as domestic partnership agreements that students may need help with. In addition, we also can help with drafting wills, power of attorneys, and healthcare proxies.
Consumer protection law. Our consumer protection practice mainly relates to negative interactions that students have had with businesses or other individuals. This includes issues with purchasing things like cars or computers, trouble with submitting health insurance or car insurance claims, unfair debt collection, or buying a product and not receiving exactly what you ordered. We also assist students who have been the victims of identity fraud or other scams.
Criminal law and student discipline. We can help you if you have an interaction with the police that results in arrest or citation of some kind. We have assisted students in many areas, including alcohol-related charges, sexual assault, theft, traffic offenses, or operating under the influence. It's very important that if you are an international student, please know that any interactions with the police resulting in charges could have a negative impact on your visa or your ability to immigrate to the United States in the future. So please contact an attorney right away. In addition, we also assist students with student discipline cases, which are accusations that you violated the Code of Student Conduct. Did you know that the Code of Student Conduct applies to you whether you are on campus or off campus? If a violation of the Code of Student Conduct is alleged, you will receive a notice from the Dean of Students' office, and it's very important that you respond to that notice right away, so keep our number handy.
Higher education law.
You didn't leave your rights at home when you became a student at UMass.
Free speech rights, freedom of assembly, due process rights, Title IX rights, right to be free from discrimination in education. These are just a sampling of the rights that fall under the penumbra of higher education law. We're here as a resource to talk you through these rights. For example, if you're planning to organize or attend a protest, come and see us. We can talk to you about how to do it in a way that maintains the integrity of the rights that you have under the Constitution of the United States of America. There are a few limitations to what the SLSO can help with. For example, we're not allowed to represent students when they're directly in conflict with another student.
We also can't help you if your matter is against either the Commonwealth of Massachusetts or the university.
You should still submit an intake because what we do provide is referral. And we can provide you with a referral to an outside attorney who can talk you through these issues. We hope you've enjoyed your time with us and that you'll reach out for assistance should you need it.
Remember, wherever in the world you may be, we are here to support you in making your time at UMass Amherst as productive and successful as possible. We look forward to seeing you, whether it's in our office or on Zoom. Please take care.